What's up, guys? Johnny here, and I wanted to give you guys an update on Lucid. Now, Lucid is one of those companies that we have been following for quite some time now on the channel. I am invested in this company, very small position of around 68 shares, or roughly around $200. Now, we are down about 5% or 10 bucks, but guys, I'm going against my day trading criteria, and we are going to be swing trading this one overnight and possibly over the course of the next week or so. Who knows? We'll see what happens. If we get up to some new highs, then I will be selling this company. But guys, why is Lucid all of a sudden showing signs of upward momentum on the SMA line? And why did Lucid go up 25% pre-market hours? And also, why did you miss this morning's live day trading session where we went over all of this? Well, probably because you're not subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and smash that like button. And while you're down there, subscribe to the channel and smash the little bell notification so you don't miss when I go live every Monday morning, Monday through Friday, just for you guys to watch me trade live, watch me share my thoughts and my ideas. And you can even ask me questions while I'm trading live. Join that group, join the conversation, hang out with a bunch of us every morning as we trade live 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for about an hour. So guys, why did Lucid stock soar and Fisker plunges? Well, the reason is the same. Well, shares of two electric stock companies were going in opposite directions this morning for one simple reason, and that was capital. Now, Lucid shares were up almost 18% at $3.26, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite were down about 0.3%. Respectively, though, after the company announced a $1 billion capital injection from majority shareholders in Saudi Arabia, our Ayar Third Investment Co., which is an affiliate from the Saudi Public Investment Fund, will purchase $1 billion in new convertible preferred shares. Rising after convertible sell, which can increase shares outstanding, shows how focused investors are on capital these days. Now, building a profitable EV startup has taken longer and more money than anyone expected. When Lucid was raising money via a merger with a special purpose acquisition company, it expected to ship 90,000 units in 2024. Wall Street projects 9,000. It's been hard for Fisker too also, but we're not focusing on Fisker. Now, building car companies is expensive. Fisker and Lucid investors are finding that out the hard way. Though early trading Monday, Fisker stock dropped 98% over the past 12 months, Lucid shares have declined 61%. So we're going to talk about that right now. Lucid has been down 61%. Look at this. Look at this sell-off, guys. This is just nuts. Huge sell-off, okay? Now, I'm only going back as like May. But even from May to now, it has done nothing but show a downward trend, and with some slight little pull-ups here. Now, we have been calling this company out since last month back in February, but this company has really started moving the needle since about January 19th. Now, Lucid stock, or ticker symbol LCID, Lucid Group Inc. is the actual name, is now sitting at $2.92. Just fantastic, being up 5% total for the day. Now, it did have a nice little trail up, and we are going to talk about that right now. So as you can see here, this huge spike up. We have been talking about this company for some time. We did make some money off of this company as well when it traded around the $3 mark to the $340 mark. That is a 12% profit back on February 28th. We also were able to jump in on this company right around 263 and ride it up to 280 to make about a 5% profit. Now, since then, it has found some areas of support as well as some areas of resistance here. And as you can see, that resistance was really heavy at the 348 mark. Now, what does that say for the future of this company? Well, guys, it's very, very simple. There is over $1 billion being injected into Lucid. which only means that this company has more money and more capital to use for future projects, which is just fantastic for shareholders like you and me. Now, as you can see, it did have a nice pullback here, which basically just giving us an opportunity to buy again. Now, I did buy this company this morning. I wish that this would showcase where my buys were like it does on the WeBull desktop platform, but unfortunately it does not. So you're just going to have to take my word for all these positions here. Now, I do believe we can look at the view order details. And yes, here you go. You can see all the trades that I've made since August 18th, 2021. So we haven't been investing in and out of this company for quite some time. Most recently right here, these are the main trades I made. So I bought 10 shares at $3.29, another 10 at $3.05, another 10 at $3.30, another 10 at $2.96, another 10 at $2.97. And as you can see, I got 18 shares at $2.96 for an average price of $3.07. Okay, now we are down about $10, but that is nothing, guys, because why? We are constantly adding to this Lucid group at 8:58, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:38, and 10:40. Now we did add to this position, even though it was in this retail area. Now I did buy around this area thinking it would probably go back up, and it didn't. It caught the resistance levels right here at the 334 mark and has not recovered since, showing new areas of support right around here, which is around the $3 mark, right around where I have my average share price, which is just insane. Now, what is going to happen with this company overall in the next few days? Well, guys, it's not a for sure guaranteed thing, but it may simply just stay within this little $3 area for some time, 290 to 3, 290 to 3. But as you can see here on the 5-minute chart, the EMA line and the SMA line are about to cross. And this is going to be the first time that it's done that in a couple of weeks. So definitely be cautious with this, okay? We did set ourselves some alerts if it moves below 290, which it almost got there. And if it moves above $3, we are going to continue adding into this position. Now, I can buy another 100 shares very easily. That's only $293. I could buy 1,000 shares if I want. But we are taking this very slow. Why specifically 68 shares? There's really no reason for it other than the fact that I just wanted to buy some shares now. Now, I could have bought down at the 270 mark yesterday, and we could have made a killing this morning with a trailing stop loss. 28% on $1,000 would be $280 in a matter of an hour. Can you make $280 in an hour doing anything else in the world besides trading stocks? I don't think so. I mean, I'm sure there's some places that probably can make that much. I don't know. But that is our Lucid update, ticker symbol LCID. Now, if you guys have not joined our community of investors, then definitely do so by simply subscribing to the channel, okay? That subscription is going to allow you to find me when I go live Monday through Friday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we're going to trade the heck, the crap, the potatoes out of companies that you see on the screen. Now, we have several companies that we are looking at. Reddit, for one, is up 10%. And man, we should have actually bought in this company when I called it out earlier today. We did not, and we lost out on almost a 50% play. Literally today, guys, 50% in one day, again, on Reddit. It only says 10%. It's lying. It is lying, okay? You could have got in at this company here and here. It's up 34%. It's up 50% after hours. 30% on $1,000 is $300 in a matter of a matter of a day. Oxygen is also a company that is up 5%. We are watching this company very heavily, and we are in this position 30 shares at $1.91. So if you guys want to watch me, see what happens, and play out these trades alongside with me, watch me make profit, or watch me lose it all, you can by simply smashing that notification bell and hitting all so you see when I go live every morning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys found value in this. I appreciate all the subscribers out there. We just hit 5,100 subscribers, over 80,000 community members, and we are pushing our way to 100K community investors, like-minded, just like yourself, who just want to make money in the stock market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.